Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this wig. Yeah, and the worst part is I don't have my cap, so I'm just going to do it like that because I'm in a hurry. I can't even look for it right now. Okay, so guys, what I'm doing now is I'm prepping the hair to apply the glue, and I'm using my Got2b glue. So I'm going to apply it in the area just a little bit away from the hairline. After doing this, then I'll go in with my hair dryer to make it dry, and then repeat the process a second time. So I waited for the glue to get tacky, and then I placed my hair carefully on the glue. I also used the tail of my comb to smoothen the hair onto the glue. After doing this, I used the baby wipes to clean off any excess glue that was showing, and then I went ahead to create some baby hair. Then I used my dermaplanners or eyebrow razors to reduce the length of the carefully selected baby hair. After doing this, I went in with my hair jelly to control the flyaways close to the baby hair to give it a smooth finish. And then I used my Got2b glue to apply on the edges before going in with my mousse to carefully lay the baby hair. Okay guys, so now I'm using my eyelash and eyebrow wand, I don't really know what it's called, to properly lay my edges. So having done all of that, I went in with my elastic hairband to help keep the baby hair in place and to stick my lace frontal to my hairline even better. And then I applied my twisted curling hair mousse to the front of my hair to give it some shine. Now for my makeup, I used my Aster Brightening Vitamin C Glow Gel as a moisturizer, and then I went in with my setting powder before doing my eyebrows. This helps me to reduce oil and shine on my face after I've done my makeup. Now for my eyebrow, I'm using my 2-in-1 brow pencil that I got from Primark to outline my eyebrows, and I'm not going in with too much because my brows are already defined as I had them microbladed. And I used my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fun to conceal my eyebrow and my eye area. So now I'm using my beauty blender to blend the concealer into my eye area, after which I apply my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the area that I have concealed. Now I'm just dusting the excess off with my powder brush before going in with the eyeshadow. Because I was in a hurry, I had to put on my lashes off camera. Now I'm just contouring all the places that needs to be contoured: my hairline, cheekbone, jawline, and nose bridge. And for my contour, I'm using this stick concealer that I got from Primark as well. I'm going to put the shade up on the screen. Now I'm using my beauty blender to blend out my concealer. Blender, hey! And then I'm just taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and applying it to all the areas that I concealed. Now I'm using my Maybelline powder in the shade 11 Cow Cow to set the areas that I contoured as well. So now using my powder brush and my powder, I'm taking off all the excess products as well as blending all the remaining products onto my face before using my NYX setting spray. I'm gently applying my L'Oreal eye mascara onto my lower eyelashes. And for my lips, guys, I used my Vaseline Pink Lips Therapy before I went in with my Zaron lip pencil to line my lips. And that's that for my makeup, guys. So now to add some finishing touches to my hair, I'm using water in a spray bottle and I'm just spraying this on every area and running my fingers through the hair. And now to define my curls, I'm using my Got2b Twisted Curly Hair Styling Mousse and I'm just rubbing that all over my hair to give it a shiny finish. Now I'm carefully taking off the elastic band while holding down the baby hair to avoid it lifting with the band. I'm also using my powder to add some final touches to my makeup as well. So guys, I applied my powder to the front of my frontal to make it look as natural as possible and to ensure that it matches my face color. And then I went in with my tail comb and created a center parting. So guys, this is my final look. I'm done and I'm ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoy the remaining part of this video. Thank you for watching.
Guys, so finally I delayed everybody, but I finally finished. Sorry, see them. Iron. Excuse me.